Hi everybody, this is Dr. Warren, and today I want to show you the technology behind recording your multimedia course tour. Now recall that the multimedia course tour is about you plugging your course. So think of this multimedia course tour as your infomercial for people who might be considering taking your course. And think of it as, you know, the infomercials that you see when you click on a YouTube video and then they have a little infomercial that you can skip. So that's where we're going with this multimedia course tour. You are going to talk to your target audience and you're going to tell them how great your course is, why you're an expert why you're the expert who is the perfect person to be teaching this course and to have developed this course, okay? So basically what I want to do today is show you the Screencast-O-Matic tool, and I want to show you a video editing tool in case you're very ambitious. So first of all, let me just show you the Screencast-O-Matic tool. So here it is. It's super easy. You do need to log in, but you can log in with your Google account, which is super easy. Just click log in with Google and you're there. Okay, so all you have to do is just click start recording for free. And you say launch the free recorder. And there's tutorials here and so forth up here. And what happens then is, here we go, is you see this little button down here, launch webrecorder.exe. So it needs to, a little kind of mini app downloads, and it loads up. Here we go. Okay, and you start to see this kind of border, and it's kind of a black and white striped border. And notice that we've got the recording tools and the narration is working, and you can click on what microphone you want to use and so forth. Okay, and then you can also, now you can't record your computer audio. What that means is if you have a video or if there's a game or something that you want the sound to record, you have to purchase the monthly Screencast-O-Matic tool. So you won't be able to play a video and have that sound come through for your brochures, your multimedia infomercial. Only your speaking, your narration will come through, okay? So right now it's not recording yet, and it asks me, do I want to record my screen or my webcam or both? Now it's not going to let me record my webcam unless I turn off my webcam in Zoom. So let me do that. I'm going to go ahead and turn off my Zoom webcam here. Give me 1 second. Okay. And now back to the Screencast-O-Matic. Now it should work. Let's take a look and see if my webcam works. So let's see if I can get this webcam. Pardon me. There it is. Screencast-O-Matic webcam right there. Okay. So I'm going to record both the screen and the webcam, and notice that I can move my video around wherever I like, and I usually like to have it in the upper corner. It just makes for a better, I think it just makes for a better result. Now, the other thing is, notice that this border, you can actually stretch it to fit your screen, okay? So you can stretch it to fit your class screen, all right? So say that this is, I'm here in course sites, or say that I just want to demonstrate my class, okay? So I've got my screen kind of set up here. Maybe I want it to be a little bit longer, and I've got and I don't necessarily want to show my bookmarks and so forth, okay? But I do want to show my navigation window over here. So I stretch this little border, and that's what's going to be recorded by the Screencast-O-Matic tool, okay? All right, so now it lets me record up to 15 minutes. And if you, again, if you want to record more than that, then you have to upgrade, but that's plenty for your infomercial, which is only 1 to 2 minutes long, okay? All right. Okay, so I am ready to start recording. And first of all, I'm going to, let's see if it lets me, okay. Now notice in the webcam, I can have a big video of myself. I can have a, where is it? Now it's hiding back here. Okay, I don't want the big anymore. I want to go with the smaller. Let me close this up. Okay, and there's the smaller webcam window right there. And then there's the none. And I think if you, well, the none isn't working. Oh, I know, because I have to turn off the webcam using the other tool, which is right here, okay? So if I just want the screen, then I click that. All right, so what I think I might want to do is start out with me big and go, hey, you know, here's this great course. Let me just start recording, and I'll just kind of ad lib here, okay? Here we go. I click the record button, 3, 2, 1, go. And so now it's recording, and you can see that it's capturing the seconds. And if I want to stop, I can click the stop tool, or the pause tool, and then I can continue recording where I left off. And so as I switch between things, if I want to switch between tabs or something, I can click the pause button, go to the new screen if I want to, and then start recording again. So it's a little bit of it acts as an editor, okay? So here I am. Hi, welcome to EDU 609, the 4th course in the Online Educator Specialization. I'm Dr. Warren. I'm the program chair of Ashford University, and I'll be your instructor for this course. I have 30 years of experience as an instructional designer, and I've designed this course just for you, the student who wants to become an online educator and a professional in the education field. See, so you kind of want to talk to the audience, and you want to tell them why you're the expert to teach this course, okay? Let me show you around. Now I'm going to pause, see, and now it's not recording. I'm going to make me small. I'm up in the upper corner now. Now I'm going to start recording again. 2, 1. And you can see that this is a 6-week course with lots of fun stuff to do. For example, we have a opportunity, let's see, I work with you to develop your own online infomercial of the course that you developed. We use lots of multimedia in this course, and I want to show you one of our fun multimedia tools that we use. I'm going to pause. Do you see? Now I'm paused. And now I'm going to go to, we don't really have anything fun in this course. Let me just see if I can make something up. Okay. And let's see here. Now I'm going to go, I don't know where to go. What's fun? Oh, I know, we'll go here. I think this is fun. Okay, back to recording. So one of the things that you're going to learn is how to do a usability study. Usability is a really important thing to know, and it's really a powerful tool.
I'm going to ask you,
turn that down. It's a very powerful tool. Let me show you. So this is an example of a usability study with a child. We actually had a girl. Let me just increase. Oh, let me just move this, or I can't. Okay, pause. Okay, I'm going to try and stretch this a little bit. Actually, let's see if I can make this. Okay, this isn't letting me make it bigger. Okay, let's just do it this way. Okay, so I'm going to start over, and notice that I made some mistakes, so I'll show you how to fix that. So this is a usability study with a child, and she's going through one of the courses, and she's telling me about her experience of the course. So as you can see, you develop your own online course in this program, and then you get to have a target audience, a member of the target audience come into your course and take a look around. And so it's almost like a sense of giving you a feeling of having your own students in the course. All right, so you guys get the idea. I'm going to stop now, and I'm going to say done in Screencast-O-Matic, right down here at the bottom. Click done. And now Screencast-O-Matic gives me an option. I can upload it to Screencast-O-Matic, I can save it as a video file, and I can upload it to YouTube. I want to save it because I'm going to edit it. If you don't have room, let's see if it lets me publish it. Yeah. So it lets you publish it to Screencast-O-Matic. They'll store it in the cloud for you. Let's see if they make you pay. No, they don't. Okay, isn't that great? So you don't even have to pay. They'll store it in the cloud. So if you have a computer that doesn't have space on the hard drive, then you can store it in the cloud. I'm going to download it because I want to save it as a video file because I want to edit it. So I will be right back. I want to show you guys what we do once we edit it. So you can see that the video is processing. It's going to take a little while. I'm not going to make you wait around while I do that. So let's see. Hold on. Okay, I'll be right back, okay? Okay, now it's completed the publish. Okay, now it's completed the publish to video. And what I'm going to do is browse my folder to figure out where the heck it put it. Because usually it puts it somewhere that you're not necessarily sure where it went. So I'm going to say browse folder. And there it is. Here's the folder. Whoops. And it's right here. Let's see. Recording, right there. That's the recording. Now, if I want to take a look at it, I can just double click it. And with whatever video player I have, I can see my Screencast-O-Matic. Now, there it is. You can see, okay, so it's, remember that I started out with the big me, and then I put it on pause. Okay, let's see. Put it on pause. Okay, watch what happens. So there you go. It's on pause, and then I click go again, and here I am. I've changed my scene, and then and so forth. So it's pretty cool. You can play with it a little bit, and then save your recordings and take a look at them. One more thing I'm curious about. I want to see how big these recordings are. So whoops. If I go up here, it looks like it's about 25 megabytes. So, and that this particular video is a minute and 20 seconds. So typically a minute, it'll probably be about 30 to 40 megabytes for maybe 50 megabytes for a couple minutes using this webinar tool. Now, I went ahead and purchased the video editor, and I'll tell you why. The plans are just so cheap. So for $1.50 a month, which added up to 18 bucks a year, it says it's billed yearly. So basically for 18 bucks, you can get the recorder and the video editor. And the Pro Recorder, it's got draw tools. You can import the video. You can video longer if you want to. So for example, if you wanted to, if you popped for 18 bucks, you could use the Pro Recorder to video yourself doing the very last video in this class, which is supposed to be about 8 to 10 minutes long. And let's see here. Yeah. So this is kind of cool. So now I've got the video editor, and I'm going to go back and open that up, and we'll do a little editing with this particular video. So I'm putting myself on pause again here. Hold on. Right there. Pausing the Zoom. That's not the Zoom. Where's my Zoom? Here it is. Okay. Pausing Zoom. I'll be right back. Get my video editor open. Okay, so I've downloaded the Screencast-O-Matic tool, and it it's a little confusing because it says go to your web page to make a recording. And so I've already made a recording. So I went back to this web page right here and I said open video editor. I'll show you how it works. Oh, it says already open. Let me just close this one up and I'll show you what happens. So when I'm ready to edit because I already recorded, I open video editor and it says open screen recorder launcher, which I guess also has the video editor embedded in it. So once that opens, it says recorder launched and there it is, okay? And then I want to import that video that I just created, okay? And so I go back to the folder where it was and that was the name of it. And here it is, right? So there's the video I just created. Now I want to edit it a little bit, okay? And so let me just, let's see, what is this? Edit this recording. Well, there you go. I'll just say edit this recording, okay? So here it is, and I can do a little editing. It's just very simple editing. So for example, if I make a mistake, I'll go ahead and play. See? So now I'm just capturing.
If I want to switch between tabs.
Okay, so I want to take out that first little bit. And so I just go ahead and say, I want to cut. So now that part's snipped. It says drag the bar to select what to cut. There it is. If you can see that's red, the little red part. And I'm going to go ahead, it says 8.52 seconds, and I say, okay. So it cuts that little part right out, boom, okay? Now, say I have another little part here.
Expert to teach this course, okay? Let me show you around. Now, and.
So, okay, so I'm gonna take out that little now right there. Let me show you around.
Yeah, and.
Okay, take out that little now, hang on.
Show you around.
Okay, let me show you around.
Teach this course, okay? Let me show you around.
Hit the space bar to stop. Now I'm going to cut that little bit out and let it.
Now, and
there I am, and I'm going to cut that little part out. Drag the bar, drag it to where I want to cut it, right there. And I say, okay, cut that. And there it is, okay? And so now let me show you around. Is there. And come on.
Let me show you.
Here we go. Try it again.
Let me show you around. And you can see that this is a 6-week.
So there you go. It's just a simple little editor. It just does cuts. Oh, look, I can add music. Woo. You might want to add some music to your recording. Okay. So, and I can look at this. I can turn off. Let's see if I can turn off the webcam or not. No webcam. Okay. All right, so anyway, there you go. And there's a little bit of an editor here, 18 bucks. You get the screen recorder and the editor. It'll let you upload to the cloud. You can save all your work in the cloud if you want to. And simple little editor, and you can add music, and boom, there you go. So hopefully that was helpful as you think about designing your own infomercial. There's a lot of great tools out there. This one is free. The video editor part is not. But if 18 bucks later, you can have a little video editor. There's also other free video editors. If you're interested, you guys can email me, and there's another good one out there that you might want to use. It's a little more complicated though. Okay, so there you have it, and I hope that was helpful, and we'll be seeing you guys online. Thanks.